Starting in around 2017, the childcare issue became much more prevalent in our community. It got a lot more attention and it started getting a lot more engagement because of the Workforce Innovation for a Strong Economy plan that the 7Rivers Alliance put together. That initiative was about mapping out a plan to recruit folks to the workforce in the 7Rivers area. And they identified 3 issues that were barriers to that recruitment. And one of those issues was childcare. So while the childcare issue was well known to folks in early care and education, like myself and colleagues around the state, that initiative, that study, really put childcare on the map as an issue in this area that we need to work on collectively in order to figure out some solutions. As a result, since that time, we've been doing some research, we've been doing educating and engaging, and we have some really good work behind us that puts us in a good position for effective strategizing in 2022, as now that we have some resources in front of us that we can invest into some pilot programs or some ideas that we've had for a long time about how to work on this childcare issue.
What would you underscore as the major differences between where you think you were in 2017 and where you think you are now?
That is a really good question. And my first answer is that the conditions contributing to the childcare challenges have deteriorated. In 2017, we were looking at a decrease of number of regulated childcare providers in La Crosse County. I think it had went from 2015, we had about 200 regulated providers. 2017, we had about 100. So we lost 50% in that short amount of time. Today in La Crosse County, we have 92 regulated childcare programs, and only 76 of those 92 care for children 0 to 5 years of age. So that's a big difference. That's a big drop. Some of the things that we heard from parents in 2017 about the challenges to finding care. One of our surveys said 86% of families were saying they had a challenging time finding childcare. They didn't have choice. I don't have an updated percent there, but the stories we hear from parents now are dramatically different. They're saying, I've called everybody on the list that I got from the Child Care Resource and Referral. There are no openings. There are waiting lists that are 2 years out. They're desperate. And what we're hearing is more frequently is that parents are turning down jobs because of childcare.